Cue the spotlight on monetizing social media, a phrase that seems to be on everyone's lips these days. But what does it truly mean? How does one transform social media from a pastime into a profitable enterprise? Today, we explore this intriguing concept, breaking it down into 10 digestible steps. Step 1. Understand the platform. Each social media platform, be it Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, has its unique language, culture, and audience that sets it apart. Instagram, for instance, is a visual-based platform. High-quality pictures and engaging captions rule supreme. It is a great platform for businesses that can showcase their products or services visually, like fashion brands or travel agencies. One successful strategy here would be to create visually pleasing content, use relevant hashtags, and actively engage with your audience through comments and Instagram stories. On the other hand, Facebook has a diverse user base, making it an excellent platform to reach a wide range of audiences. Allows for longer content, including articles, videos, and live streaming. A successful strategy on Facebook could involve sharing engaging video content, hosting live Q&A sessions, or creating a community around your business through groups. Twitter, meanwhile, thrives on real-time communication. With a limit on character count, it demands concise, engaging content. Its unique features like hashtag trends, polls, and threads can be effectively. A successful strategy on Twitter can include timely tweets, participation in trending topics, creating polls to engage your audience, and forming threads for in-depth discussions. Knowing the ins and outs of these platforms is a critical first step. Think of it as getting to know the terrain before embarking on a journey. By understanding the unique features of these platforms, you can tailor your social media strategy accordingly and effectively drive engagement. Step 2. Identify your niche. The magnificence of social media resides in its vast diversity. It tenderly embraces everyone, from fitness fanatics to food aficionados. But amidst this diversity, finding your unique niche is pivotal. This is where you carve your space amidst the billions, where you stand out from the crowd. Your niche gives you a clear direction for your content creation and brand personality. Uncovering your niche isn't just about determining what you're passionate about, but it's about understanding your target audience, their needs, preferences, and desires. This is where market research becomes instrumental. By studying market trends, demographics, and customer behavior, you can identify profitable gaps in the market and tailor your content to fill these gaps. Take, for example, the rise of eco-friendly beauty products in recent years. Brands like Tata Harper and Youth to the People identified a void in the market for clean, sustainable skincare, and capitalized on it by creating products that not only cater to this need but also promote healthy, conscious living. Similarly, exploring the world of boutique fitness, brands like SoulCycle and Peloton have created a niche for themselves by offering unique, community-driven workout experiences. In essence, your niche is your compass, guiding you towards success on social media. It shapes your brand, your content, and your connection with your audience. Remember, in the world of social media, being unique isn't just desirable, it's crucial. So find your niche and let it guide your path to success. Step 3. Crafting valuable content. Having identified your niche, the next crucial step on the ladder is to start churning out high-quality content that will keep your audience engaged and yearning for more. Remember, the crucial element here is to deliver value. Your content should do more than just occupy digital space. It should inform, entertain, or inspire. In the digital world, the adage "content is king" rings true more than ever. However, the kingdom of content is built on the foundation of quality, not quantity. While it is important to maintain a certain volume of content, it's the quality that will set you apart from the crowd. Content that is well-researched, well-written, and resonates with your audience will always take precedence over a large number of mediocre posts. Consider the example of the viral video, Coney 2012, a short film produced by non-profit organization Invisible Children. Despite being a single piece of content, it garnered over 100 million views within 6 days. The video went viral due to its value, a powerful message about a real-world issue, delivered in a captivating and innovative way. Similarly, the Dumb Ways to Die campaign, originally a public service announcement by Metro Trains in Melbourne to promote railway safety, transformed into a worldwide phenomenon. The catchy tune, lighthearted animation, and its critical safety message created a blend of entertainment and education, a perfect example of valuable content. Creating valuable content is like preparing a gourmet meal. It's not about how many dishes you can cook, but about the taste, presentation, and satisfaction it brings to the diner. It's about creating something that leaves a lasting impact, that makes your audience stop and think, laugh or cry, learn or discuss. It's about making a difference, one post at a time. So step up your content game and create something that's worth sharing. Step 4. Focus on building a robust community. Always remember, social media isn't merely a platform for broadcasting messages, it's more about fostering a genuine sense of community. It's a buzzing marketplace of ideas, thoughts, and conversations. To make it work, you can't be just a passive bystander, you need to become an active participant. Engage with your followers on a personal level. Respond to their comments, appreciate their feedback, answer their queries, and make them feel heard and valued. Creating a sense of camaraderie, a feeling of being part of a team, is extremely important. People are more inclined to support someone they feel emotionally connected to. The importance of engagement and interaction cannot be emphasized enough. A vibrant online community thrives on active participation. It's a give-and-take process. The more you interact, the more engagement you get. And this engagement fuels the growth of your community. Take, for instance, the successful online community of LEGO Ideas. They've created a platform where LEGO enthusiasts can submit their own designs, vote on other people's creations, and potentially have their designs turned into real LEGO sets. The sense of belonging and active engagement is palpable in such an environment. Another example is the thriving community of the subreddit r/AskReddit. Here, millions of users actively engage in discussions, share experiences, and offer advice on a wide variety of topics. The sense of camaraderie is apparent, making it one of the most successful online communities. So, invest time in building your community, nurture it, and watch it grow. Step 5. Harness the power of social media tools. The landscape of social media is brimming with numerous tools that can not only assist you in managing your activities, but also amplify your impact. The importance of these tools cannot be overstated. They range from analytics, which help you track your performance, measure your reach, and understand your audience better, to scheduling tools that keep your content consistent and timely. Analytical tools are a powerful aspect of social media management. They allow you to view in-depth statistics about your audience's behavior and preferences, helping you to craft content that resonates with them. For instance, you can track which posts generate the most engagement and replicate that success in future campaigns. This data-driven approach ensures you are always striving for improved results. Scheduling tools, on the other hand, are a boon for efficiency. These tools enable you to plan and schedule your posts in advance, removing the need for manual posting. For example, you can plan your content for an entire week in a single sitting, ensuring regularity and consistency in your posts. This leaves you with more time to engage with your audience and focus on other important aspects of your social media strategy. In essence, utilizing social media tools will not only streamline your process, but also boost your effectiveness, making your social media journey smoother and more fruitful. Step 6. Collaborate and network. Social media is a landscape that thrives on collaboration. Reaching out to other creators, influencers, and brands in your niche can establish relationships that will prove invaluable in your journey. Connecting with others in your field is more than just a friendly gesture. It's about forging mutually beneficial relationships. When you collaborate, you aren't just expanding your network, you're also tapping into your collaborators' audience, thereby augmenting your reach and influence. Partnerships and collaborations offer numerous benefits. Firstly, they can boost your visibility across diverse platforms and audiences. Secondly, collaborations create room for the exchange of creative ideas, strategies, and techniques, enabling you to improve your content. Thirdly, collaborations can open doors to exciting opportunities like joint ventures, sponsorships, or even gaining a mentor in your field. There have been countless successful collaborations in the social media world. A perfect example is the partnership between GoPro and Red Bull. Combining their resources, they've been able to create thrilling, adrenaline-filled content that resonated with both their audiences. Similarly, influencers like James Charles and Morphe have joined forces to create product lines that were met with resounding success, proving how beneficial collaborations can be. So don't hesitate to connect and collaborate, as you never know where these relationships may lead. Step 7. Monetize through advertising. Once you've established a solid audience, the door to financial gains opens through the avenue of advertising. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are not just mere entertainment or communication platforms but also a goldmine for advertising options. For instance, on Instagram, you can make use of sponsored posts, story ads, or even IGTV ads. Facebook provides options like sidebar ads, promoted posts, and even video ads. Similarly, YouTube offers an array of choices such as in-stream ads, display ads, and non-skippable ads. It's essential to understand that different types of ads have different levels of engagement and therefore have varied results. For example, the memorable Old Spice, "The Man Your Man Could Smell Like" campaign, which started as a single YouTube video, rapidly caught the attention of viewers worldwide and became a viral sensation. Another example is the "Always Like a Girl" campaign, which sparked a worldwide conversation about the phrase "like a girl" and its implications, creating a significant impact on their brand image. These successful campaigns demonstrate the endless potential that careful and creative monetizing through advertising can offer. Step 8. Dive deep into affiliate marketing. One highly profitable path to consider is affiliate marketing. Here, you promote products or services from affiliate partners and earn a commission on the sales made through your referral. But what makes affiliate marketing so appealing? Firstly, it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your platform with affiliate links, you can earn money while you sleep. Secondly, you don't need to create a product yourself. Instead, you can capitalize on the credibility and quality of an existing product. Thirdly, it offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and choose a product or service that aligns with your interests or the theme of your platform. Getting started with affiliate marketing involves a few crucial steps. First, choose an affiliate network. Some successful affiliate marketers like Pat Flynn started with popular networks like Amazon Associates. Then select a product or service that aligns with your platform's content. Once you've chosen a product or service to market, the next step is to generate quality content around it. Content could be a blog post, a review video, or a social media post. Finally, include the affiliate link in your content. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you'll earn a commission. Take inspiration from successful affiliate marketers such as Pat Flynn and Michelle Schroeder-Gardner. They've turned their blogs into successful businesses by promoting products that resonate with their audience. So remember, the key to a thriving affiliate marketing business is choosing a product that aligns with your niche and creating engaging content around it. Step 9. Sell your own products or services. One of the most direct ways of making money from social media is by selling your own products or services. This could be anything ranging from handmade crafts, personalized merchandise to online courses and coaching services. Social media platforms offer an incredibly broad audience, making them a perfect marketplace for your business. The benefits of selling directly through social media are numerous. Firstly, it allows for direct customer engagement that helps build a strong customer relationship. Secondly, social media gives you the opportunity to showcase your products or services in a creative and personalized way, unlike traditional sales platforms. Also, it's cost-effective. You can start with almost no cost, and you have the potential to reach a vast audience without spending a fortune on advertising. Examples of successful social media businesses are numerous. For instance, Glossier, a beauty brand, started as a small blog on Instagram and has turned into a multi-million-dollar company. Similarly, MVMT watches used engage with your followers, understand their needs, and cater to them effectively. Step 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is a pivotal ingredient in the recipe for success in the world of social media. When we say stay consistent, it doesn't merely imply posting frequently. Instead, it means maintaining a regular posting schedule, a pace at which you provide valuable content to your audiences, thereby sustaining their interest and keeping them engaged. The importance of a regular posting schedule can't be stressed enough. A well-planned schedule ensures that your audience knows when to expect new content. This anticipation creates an air of excitement around your posts, thereby increasing user engagement. Let's take a look at some successful social media accounts that have mastered the art of consistent posting. The first one that comes to mind is Netflix. They cleverly intersperse promotional content with lighthearted, humorous, and trending posts, keeping their followers entertained while subtly marketing their services. Another brilliant example of consistent posting is National Geographic. Their daily posts of stunning photography from around the globe keep their followers hooked, eagerly waiting for the next visual treat. In essence, Regularly posting valuable content is not merely a strategy, but a commitment to your audience that ensures they keep coming back for more. And so we conclude 10 integral steps to monetizing social media. I really want to emphasize the importance of patience, persistence, and passion in this venture. Like any other business, the journey of social media monetization is not an overnight process. It's a great deal of patience. You might not see immediate results, or your growth may be slower than anticipated, but don't allow that to discourage you. Stick with it, and remember that every giant oak tree started as a tiny acorn. Persistence is another key element in building a successful media platform. There will be setbacks, you may face challenges or even failures, but the willingness to persist and overcome these hurdles is what ultimately sets successful entrepreneurs apart. Take for example the story of Gary Vaynerchuk, a renowned social media entrepreneur. He started his journey with a simple wine vlog on YouTube and faced many obstacles along the way. But by being persistent and not giving up, he built a multi-million-dollar empire. Passion is the fuel that drives all of this. Without it, the journey can become exhausting and overwhelming. But with passion, even the most mundane tasks become exciting and motivating. Look at Chiara Ferragni, who turned her passion for fashion into a successful blog and a social media empire. She started with nothing but a blog and a passion for fashion. Today, she's an influential figure in the fashion industry thanks to her unwavering passion and commitment. So, armed with these steps and the trifecta of patience, persistence, and passion, you're not just on a path, you're on a runway, ready for takeoff into the promising world of social media monetization. If you found this video helpful, don't just tap that like button, smash it, and hit subscribe for more insightful content. Let's continue to explore, create, and monetize together. Until our next deep dive, keep those creative gears turning and continue to monetize your passion.